Hey there, YouTube, Drelux here, and I'm back with another video. Man, it has been forever, but I haven't had time to make videos like right now. So today I'll be breaking rocks. The difference: this one has a fossil, as you can see. This is just a normal rock. Breaking inside a road rock, another normal rock, a white rock. A really shiny one, but I don't think you can tell, but it is shiny to me. And then another one of those shiny things. So I'll go to breaking this with a hammer. So let's see what's inside. I don't know for sure, so I'm just wondering what's inside. So yeah, okay, 1, 2, 3. So basically, there's something shiny over here. Yeah. Let's keep breaking it. There is some shine over there. Oh crap. Okay, so yeah, it's just a little bit of shine. Down to the road rock. The black rock. A little bit of shine. Down to another normal rock. There's nothing in there, so down to this white. It feels like plastic, but I don't know for sure. There's nothing. No shine, no sprinkles. Down to this one now. And yes, it's a sunny day, and you may hear the birds, but yeah. Whoa! Now that looks shiny to me. It does have sprinkles on it. I don't know if maybe I can move it. I don't think you can tell, but I don't know. Sorry about that. But yeah, lots of signs. Now I don't really want to break this because it looks cool. Because I love the fossils, and yeah, maybe I should. If I can. I don't know if I can break it really solid. Yeah, I don't think so. It's just I'm gonna try harder. There we go. It just made more fossils, that's what it is. There's fossils in here. I believe there's lots of fossils in here. It keeps making more fossils. I don't think you can tell. But yeah, but this one's really solid. And Now for the big shiny one. Nothing yet. Just more shiny something. Like sprinkles, I don't know. But it is kind of shiny. Maybe if I break one more of these. Yeah. This one actually had more, but let's try. It does have crystals. But yeah, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you for watching.